So I'm Alan Zuby. I'm a professor in advanced manufacturing, and primarily I teach electronics, robotics, and hydraulics and pneumatics. At FSCJ, our programs are in advanced manufacturing, and so they're focused on what we call mechatronics, which is basically we're preparing people to be maintenance technicians in any kind of automotive industry anywhere in the world, really. We have people working at Lockheed, places like that, Rainier, you name it, we have students working there. Robots can do pretty much anything. Most of the ones that we have would be a typical pick and place type of application where they're going to lift something up, they're going to move it to a different spot. But they can also be used for inspection. We can use them for part identification. They can use them for, of course, processes like machining and welding and things like that. Some of the robot arms can actually do 3D printing, which is a relatively new technology using a robot for 3D printing. So all those things, all of our robots can do all that stuff. I know a lot of the problem solving that goes into their particular problems each year is movement and motion. And they're very attuned to how do I get this vehicle to move from this point to this point, and then also being able to adapt that vehicle to do different tasks. That's exactly what industry's trying to do all the time. So I think, any way that they can figure out to get their vehicle from one point to the other in the most autonomous method where they don't have to direct it by a joystick or something like that. So it's using sensors to get where it needs to go. That would be very important. And then as much flexibility as it can have where they don't have to stop it and make a change for it to do the next task. If they can do that, then they would cut down time. So if they can get that vehicle to multitask, it'd be a huge benefit for them.
My name is Kevin Beamish. I'm a professor of advanced manufacturing here in the engineering technology department at Florida State College of Jacksonville. My classes involve many different disciplines. I teach pumps and drives in this room here. I teach measurement and instrumentation using this equipment behind me. I teach machining, AutoCAD drafting. We teach electromechanical components, and many more. So we got this equipment here as part of the Instrumentation and Controls Technology Grant. So the idea is that we can train students to become instrumentation technicians. All right, they can learn how sensors and devices are used to measure different qualities of a process, right? So this process, for example, is like a chemical plant simulation. So the students learn how to measure pressure and flow, level, temperature, those kinds of things, and how to take those readings and use that information to control the process to get the desired outcome. This kind of technology is vitally important, and a lot of people traditionally have thought, oh, that's silly to work in a technical field when you can sit at a desk and work on a computer. Well, it turns out that a lot of people don't like doing that, and going through something like the LEGO Robotics League shows them that, hey, there are applications where building things and having fun and being creative can apply to my professional choices and my career down the road. So I think it's a great opportunity. I wish more students would do it.